Apparently he wasn't happy where I was sitting. Welcome back to the channel. We've got another delivery to make today. We're on our way to Dickie Carr Sand and Gravel Sand Pit. Pick up 7 tons of cushion sand. We're on our way now. DNA haulers coming on scale, empty weight. I need 7 tons of cushion sand, please. Work our way back here. Get loaded up. I seen the loader head off. Put it on back there. We're gonna have to sit here and wait now. Well, there's our pile of sand right there in front of us. I see the screener's running. Nice fresh pile of screen sand there. Now we'll sit here and wait for the loader to get back. Alright, our loader. There he is. Know how much I need. 7 tons. Load us up with some of that freshly screened. Which that loader is equipped with a scale. I fill the bucket up, raise it up in the air. It tells him how much he's got there. So he should be right there at that 7-ton mark. See him knock off a little bit. Gonna raise it up again. Weigh it again. He's happy with it. Come over here and put it in the trailer. Apparently he wasn't happy where I was sitting. We'll head up to the scale and see how close this scale was. DNA haulers coming on scale with screen sand. this scale. That'll work. 7.22. Works for me. Back up next to this other truck. Go over there, sign some papers. That rules here, you gotta have a vest, hard hat. Go take care of this. We're good to go. Get this load covered up. Get on the road. I got sand all over my hands. Alright, just sent the customer an ETA. We're loaded and heading his way. Be there in about 30 minutes.
Take the next left onto 9 Mile Azle Road, then turn right onto Texas 199 Frontage Road. Take the next right onto Texas 199 Frontage Road.
This neighborhood we're going to is not a good neighborhood at all. It's known for a couple of gangs that run that neighborhood. That's mostly at night, not during the day when we're going over there, which works for me.
Continue on Texas 199 Frontage Road for 4 miles.
Plus, the address this is going to, we got to go back behind it in a growed up alleyway. Alright, we're pulling up on our address. Which one is it? This is right here. This area here is known as Como. It is not a good area. Morning. You going? Oh yeah. Dion.
Oh, okay.
And all this still going around back?
Oh, okay.
Yards?
Yes. No. Okay. Here maybe 3 yards.
About half.
Yes.
Okay. Let me get, I'm gonna turn around.
To come back another one after.
Not yet.
Okay.
Maybe, I don't know.
How
I
many
can't
yards?
get,
How
he
many
won't
yards?
answer the phone.
How many yards?
That's 6, 7.
Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe half and a half. Half here, half here, please.
Oh, right here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
Oh, yeah.
need 4 yards tomorrow or later?
In the back?
Or,
Oh yeah, in the back needs a lot. Oh yeah. Okay. I'll get turned around. I'll back in right here, dump half, and then this is gonna be easier than I thought it was gonna be. I'll go down here, we'll turn around, come back up, we'll back in, dump half of it one side of the front yard, half on the other. Almost. Put the rest over there? Put the rest over there?
yes.
Okay. That's a lot.
Oh. No problem.
Time for a new remote. It's junk. Okay.
More north is better. The weather.
Do what?
More north is very fresh, or it's hot too.
North?
Yes.
Oh yeah, they're hot.
Oh,
Yeah, everybody's hot.
yeah.
Yeah, probably more here than there. If he wants more back there, tell him to call me.
Yes.
But today, he won't answer the phone.
Okay.
Well, I text, I call.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh. All right, well, we're done with that. Went a lot easier than I was expecting. Work our way out of here. Wait for his, if I can't get his boss to answer the phone, he needs more material around back, but I'm not gonna assume I can go pick it up right now. I'll wait to hear from him. Well, that means we're done for today. Thanks for watching.